Hi everyone, this is Chef Rohan from France, and today we're gonna make pulled pork on the K24 Kamado from Pit Boss. So you will see on social networks that there are a ton of ways to make the pulled pork. I will show you my way, which is the one that I use to do in my restaurants during more than 10 years. And it's maybe the easiest one. So now I will just remove the skin. It's really easy to do if you have a good sharp knife. So I'll remove the skin. Some people use the skin for other things. And now I will just make some mark on the meat just to help the rub to go inside the meat under the fat and the silver skin. Okay? So now I will rub the meat and on an aluminium foil. So I will rub it and put it in the fridge for maybe, I would say 16 hours overnight. Okay. So I wrap the meat in aluminum foil and then in plastic foil, so there will no juice floating in the fridge, and everybody will be happy. So that's it. Overnight in the fridge. Okay. Now the charcoal is ready. I will put some wood chunks on top and put the meat on. I guess that two big wood chunks will be good enough. So look, that great color. It's no time to rub it up. The internal temperature is 75 Celsius degrees. I will wrap it in aluminum foil. I will double the foil so it will be strong enough, and put it back in the smoker for maybe 4 or 5 hours, the time to get an internal temperature of 93, 95 Celsius degrees. I just put the pork leg from the Kamado, and now I will put it so you will see how the pulled pork is. So you can see how tender it is. It's just perfect. So it's time to eat. Thank you for watching this video, and see you soon.